Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can improve the quality of the audio of your video files using Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm going to show you how you can reduce the noise in the background in your audio file using Adobe Premiere Pro. I've got a sample file in here that I'm going to use for this tutorial. I'm going to drag and drop it to the timeline. I'm going to press Alt on my keyboard. I'm using a Windows laptop, and then click on the audio portion of my video file to select the audio section. After you have done this, go to Effects and type the word denoise, D-E-N-O-I-S-E. It's all one word, and then you will see denoise option under noise reduction and restoration. Drag and drop that effect to the audio portion of your file, and to the left you will see some options coming up for that effect. In here under custom setup, click edit and change the preset from default to heavy or light depending on your requirements. I typically use the heavy noise reduction, which gives me the best results. Wait for this preset to change to heavy noise reduction, and then you can close this window off, play your video, and you will see the difference in your audio quality. Afterwards, if you're happy with it, you can go ahead and export your video file. Guys, that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, take care and have a good day.